Have you ever stepped inside a presidential palace? Not just any palace, but the one in Seoul that the public couldn't enter for over 70 years. The Blue House, a place of guarded secrets, silent hallways, and stories whispered more than told. Most people only ever saw its blue tiles from a distance. Today, we cross the line that once kept everyone out. This is Cheongwadae, and nothing here is as simple as it looks. Welcome to Seoul, the vibrant heart of South Korea. Nestled at the foot of Bugaksan Mountain, just behind the majestic Gyeongbokgung Palace, lies one of the country's most iconic landmarks, the Blue House, known in Korean as Cheongwadae. In today's video, we'll explore the history, architecture, symbolism, and transformation of this remarkable place. The story of Cheongwadae goes back centuries. The site originally served as the royal villa in the Goryeo period and later a royal garden when the Joseon dynasty moved the capital to Hanyang, now Seoul. After Korea's liberation and the establishment of the Republic of Korea in 1948, the building became the official residence and executive office of the President of South Korea. It served in that role for over 70 years until 2022, making it a powerful symbol of Korean modern history. And along that journey, it has seen moments of drama and tension too, including an attempted raid in 1968 when North Korean commandos tried to infiltrate it. What makes the Blue House visually so striking is its harmonious blend of traditional Korean architectural style with modern purpose. The roof tiles are a distinctive deep blue hue, hence the name Blue House. The main complex covers around 250,000 square meters, approximately 62 acres, and features wooden palace-style pavilions, gentle curves of roof lines, and the natural backdrop of Bugaksan. Walking the grounds, one sees the careful placement, the hill behind, the palace wall in front, the blue tiles shimmering in the sunlight. It is as much about setting and scenery as it is about the buildings. For decades, the Blue House was where the decisions of state were made, where visiting international dignitaries were received, and where the head of state lived and worked. It functions not just as a residence or office, but as a symbol of Korean democracy, of the modern nation, and of continuity from its royal past into its republican present. Yet those blue tiles also carry meaning, tradition, dignity, protection. As you stand on its grounds or view it on screen, you're looking at the intersection of Korean history, the royal era, colonial era, the birth of the republic, the Cold War decades, modern democracy. A major shift occurred in May 2022 for the first time in its 74-year role as the presidential residence. The Blue House was open to the public. Visitors could walk the paths, take in the gardens, and view the building once reserved for high officials. Today, whether you're a tourist, a history buff, or just someone who loves architecture, this site offers a unique experience. History made public, traditions preserved, views to savor. If you're visiting Seoul, plan ahead. There are guided tours, reservation systems, and you'll want to give yourself plenty of time to absorb the atmosphere. As we wrap up our journey through the Blue House, remember this: it's more than just a grand building with blue-tiled roofs. It's a living symbol of the Korean story, past, present, and future. From royal gardens to presidential halls, from guarded residence to public space, its transformation tells us much about the country itself. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel history adventures, and leave a comment if you've ever visited or plan to visit Seoul's Blue House. Until next time, annyeong. Annyeong!